Hello, I'm back with another My Kayak Technique episode, and today's video will be about pre-race warm-up. I arrived to the venue 2 hours before my race. I have already done a 10 minutes run to wake up my body and a 20 to 30 minutes easy exercise. And if I have a physio with me, I like to do this exercise with him observing. 90 minutes before my race, I go to warm up on the flat. First, I paddle 5 to 10 minutes straight on a medium intensity to warm up the muscles. Next, I do an active stretching of rotators to improve my range of motion and prevent injury. Once I'm feeling strong, I do a similar exercise with a gliding boat to activate the balance muscles as well. Then I perform a set of different rotation moves. When the rotation exercise is done, I do 5 sprints. At this phase of the warm-up, the muscles are pretty nicely warmed up, and it's time to do a 1-minute run at high intensity. This flat water warm-up takes about 25 to 30 minutes, and when I'm done with it, I have usually 60 minutes before the start. I then put something on to keep the muscles warm and go to look at the course once again. It's important to check the height of the pools above the water. 30 minutes before the start, I drink a can of Red Bull and some water. 15 minutes prior to the start, I get back on the water to get ready for my run. Well, this is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like or subscribe. And if you have any tips or idea on what you want to see next time, leave me some comments here below. Ciao!